How to use AI design a house. If you are planning to build a new house or make some renovations, you don't need to hire an architect or pay an architect to design your house. From the floor plan, interior and exterior, down to the landscaping design, you can actually design your house by following these simple steps. Yes, to design a house with AI, you can use specialized tools that automate everything from initial floor plans to realistic 3D renderings. These tools typically fall into three categories: generative planning for new layouts, interior restyling for existing rooms, and the exterior landscape visualization. 1. Generating floor plans. If you are starting from scratch, AI can generate build-ready residential layouts based on your specific requirements like room count and the square footage. A. Define your needs. Enter perimeters such as number of rooms, bathrooms, and the desired architectural style. B. Use generative tools. Platforms like Market.ai or Snapcode can produce multiple layout options in seconds. C. Convert sketches. You can upload a rough hand drawing sketch or a basic blueprint, and tools like Planner 5D will convert it into a workable 2D or 3D model. Step 2. Designing interiors. For existing spaces, AI uses visual restyling to apply new aesthetics to a photo of your actual room. Upload a photo. Take a well-lit, landscape-oriented photo of your room from a corner to capture maximum spatial context. Select a style. Choose from libraries of design aesthetics like modern, industrial, or baroque. Iterate and refine the photo of your actual room. Tools like Interior AI or Canvas AI Interior Styler will replace furniture and adjust colors while preserving your room's actual geometry. Step 3. Exterior and landscape design. AI isn't limited inside. It can also reimagine your home's facade and the outdoor living areas. A. Facade transformation. Upload a photo of the front of your house to see how new siding, windows, or roof styles would look. B. Garden and yard planning. Use tools like Home GPT to visualize new landscaping, patios, and the outdoor lighting. I will give you top AI home design tools and explain their actual function one after another. Number 1. Planner 5D. Planner 5D, all-in-one design, smart wizard for floor plans, 3D VR walkthroughs. Number 2. Market.ai and the Snapcode. Floor plan generation, architectural workflow, rapid generation of residential layouts based on prompts, collective 2D and 3D design with real-time compliance insights. Third, Room GPT and Home GPT, quick visual redesigns, photorealistic renders from photos of existing space. 4. Use Midjourney to create inspiration, generate highly artistic and conceptual interior ideas. Thank you for watching this video. This is Ikuchi. If you have any question, drop it on comment section or reach me on my email. Yes, and encourage me by sharing this video to your friends. Tag your friends. Yes, I'm making a lot of video about AI, how to use them, how to make money with AI, how to generate things with AI, a lot of it. Yes, you can go to my channel and check more videos like this. Please subscribe to my channel. It's very, very important, and turn on your notification button so anytime I post a new video, you will be notified. See you in my next video.